Neurons are cells in the nervous system that process and transmit information. An average neuron is about 5 times 10 to the negative 6th power meters in diameter. So very small. A standard table tennis ball is 0.04 meters in diameter. About how many times is as great is the diameter of the ball than the neuron? Write your answer in scientific notation. So if we're trying to figure out how many times bigger something is, we're going to use the opposite operation, which is divide. I have one of these in scientific notation and one in standard form, so I have two choices here. I can put them both in scientific notation or put them both in standard form. I'm going to start with the scientific notation so I don't lose you on that first one. So we have the neuron, and we're trying to figure out how many neurons go into the tennis ball. So that means we are putting the tennis ball on top or underneath the bridge. But we're going to say it's on top this time. So we have 0.04. If I want to make this into scientific notation, I'm going to go ahead and move this over 2 times. So we have 4 times, and I want to go smaller, 2 spots. So we have 4 times 10 to the negative 2nd. That's our tennis ball. And we have our neuron. Five times 10 to the negative 6th. Okay, we're going to take this one chunk at a time. 4 divided by 5. Can't really do that. 4 divided by 5 in a calculator is either 4/5 or 0.6 times 10. According to our laws of division, you can subtract those. So we have -2 minus -6. Those get combined together to add. -2 plus 6 is 4. So 0.6 times 10 to the 4th power. Technically, when it comes to scientific notation, we want at least one number in front, and then if there's anything left over, it goes behind the decimal. So, in that case, we're going to want to take that decimal and move it over once, making it 6 times 10 to the 5th power. Nope, since I went smaller, I want to go smaller. So to the 3rd power. So the tennis ball is 6 times 10 to the 3rd power bigger than a neuron. Or you could do 0.04 in a calculator divided by 5. Move it over 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oops. It's not right. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Put on that many zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. But when you end up writing it, it has to be in scientific form.